Ashley at the Cosmetic Formulator, and today we're going to be making a lavender body butter. We're working in collaboration with Mystic Moments, who have kindly provided the ingredients needed for this formula. This body butter is perfect for those suffering from dry skin, and is particularly good for those suffering with eczema and psoriasis. So let's get into it. This recipe is going to make 200 grams of body butter, and you can get the full written recipe on my website, and I put the link in the caption below. We're going to start off with measuring 96 grams of shea butter. Then we're going to measure 96 grams of coconut oil. Fill a pan with boiling water. Now this is going to form your water bath. Then you want to place all the ingredients that you just measured out into your water bath and allow that to fully melt down. Once your ingredients have fully melted, take it out of the water bath and allow it to cool down before placing it in the fridge for about an hour or until it's reached a semi-solid consistency. Now the oils are ready to whip. Now you can see with my whisk, I've inserted it into the oils, and you see how it's easily gone in and dented. If it is too solid, you won't be able to do this, and it won't whip to the consistency that you want it to. So make sure that you've not put it in the fridge for too long and it's in a semi-solid state, allowing your whisk to actually sink in. Then you're going to want to whip your oils on high until they've reached a fluffy body butter consistency. Then you want to add your vitamin E oil. And then you want to add your lavender essential oil. Now I've made a bit of a mistake here whereby I've left the butters for too long and it's become too solid to pipe and not the consistency we want. And I wanted to show you this, so if this does happen to you, for instance you've left it in the fridge for too long or you've just left it too long, then what you would do in that situation. Now the magic trick is get a liquid oil, any liquid oil. You can use grapeseed oil, you can use almond oil, and then pour that in and whip it until it is the fluffy consistency you want. Mistakes can and will happen, and it can be annoying, but I'm so glad that I made this mistake so I can show you how to rectify it if it does happen to you. And as you can see, it's quite an easy fix. You just put the liquid oil in and it will then turn it into that fluffy, creamy consistency that you do want. And that's it, guys. Now we are ready to put the body butter into our piping bag and pipe it into our container. Just to clarify, you don't need to pipe the body butter into the container. I just find it looks more aesthetically pleasing. It is quite a messy process, well at least it is for me. So you can just skip this step, and like I say, just get a spoon and put it into your container, and that's just equally as fine. Look at how creamy and luxurious and decadent this body butter is. This is one of my absolute faves, especially in the summertime. My legs can get quite dry, so this is something that I love to use. And it's just so simple and quick and easy to make. It's actually one of the first formulas I learned to make, and I'm so excited to share this one with you guys. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed this formula as much as I do.